I actually named it the King Pipe Bar to Skandava. So yes, that's why I named the pie Ntombi Mhlophe.
I love that. What's inside Ntombi Mhlophe?
So in Ntombi Mhlophe, what I decided to do is make bolognese sauce from scratch, and there's pockets of mince stuffed with cheese, lots of cheese, and some beautiful spices that went onto it. There's a herb that I love, Mkulugutwa Insurance, which is rosemary. People ask me, why do you say Mkulugutwa Insurance? But if you guys know rosemary Ndlovu, I almost finished the entire family. So I call the rosemary herb Mkulugutwa Insurance.
So I think your other talent, it's either you have to rap. I don't know, is rap still like a thing?
I think I need to be a ghostwriter.
Yeah, you must rap or you must write poetry.
Siyawoza. Anopita kuku.
Wena ngokukala la, ngokugamfula. Sizithanda ithanda.
Nango.
Oh my. Oh,
Yes. Yeah.
Could get my attention. Yeah. It was been fun like a son. So I spent the afternoon with the dance today, and we actually took like a hand picture because people have been asking okay sandla fast, okay sandla. So I was just like, you know what? Let me take a picture of my man's hand in mine. But anisayifumelanga because andiyazi le nyuba dem ndiyenzayo alazi timeline. Andidatsalazi. Yes. Hi,
Hi,
Sivu.
Nel.
Hello, my angel.
Njani?
Njani? Ndiyaphila baby right wena?
Right now, mfuna ubuza sithenge iphi nestam ntombi.
Hey, Petu Rayo Peto. Ndifuna i-last number. Premium.
Andizoya andinguye umzali.
Try Sarah like yintoni kanene Sarah like into ezinjalo wethu but no yazi into endizayenza ne I think into ezayenza easy andifuni nibhideke ndithenge into ezirongo because mntanam andifuna ke noba yintoni yabo. So ndiza kwenza i-baby shower registry yabo. Andifuni ibe nikhuphe i-250 ningazazi uba ziyaphi. No. Manenze i-registry ndiyiposte then umntu ayazi uba uzawuthenga ntoni yabo ibe ne-barcode iyenze easy
Okay.
yonke le nto uyayibona.
Okay, but sendiyithenge carrier. It's fine.
So uthenga ntoni?
I-baby carrier sendiyithengile.
As in bazawubeleka usana.
Kaloku sana eParis njani ntombi?
Hayi kaloku xa ndisiya eParis chomi kaloku iParis it was supposed to be in July but imuvile ngoku to September so that I'm super well. But ke ngoku chomi kaloku xa ndiya eParis ndimshiya nani ntoni? Ikheria no awubhudanga ikheria sana ikheria mayihlale apha kuwe so that xa sihamba ngoSeptember siya eParis ubukheria wena. What do you think?
Uzomgcinisa kuNtombi entle mother-in-law.
Guys, uNtombi entle uliphethe ixanduva. She does so much for the family yam encinci. Khanimpumzeni please. Please. Khanimpumzeni sana. But I missed you guys. I like I said, I see the interactions on the timeline. I love the banter. I love how you guys just roll with these allegations and all these other stories. I love it. I love that relationship we have because now when late for space, we're trying to kangela amazinyo. Yeah, I did kiss. Ithiwa ndikhangela amazinyo. Abanye bathi no kakaleke bethe treatment. I absolutely love it. But I think my favorite allegation of like throughout this whole thing, throughout my absence on social media, my favorite allegation, Leba Nanotiti, Sisaya e Dubai, nendoda eshadileyo, and then umfazi wasibhaqa wasibetha sanya. And then I think that's when I lost the teeth, and yeah, but ndiluze le teeth ke le nto. Yeah, guys, like that's my favorite story because you know what? That would actually be the best case scenario right now. But I'm good, guys. I'm well. Thank you so much. I see the DMs on Instagram also, people DM me. It's just been difficult for me to like respond to a lot of the DMs because, like I said, the month of June, Don had my phone the entire time. So I only got my phone like umkakle on Sunday, I think. Yeah, like where it's like I'm constantly on my phone and stuff like that. So yeah, Bafazi, let's wrap it up. Iyaqala umbapesana now.
Kuthiwa ubuganga amazinyo kuyathi ntombi.
Where itshomi ikiweske ngoku ndiyoganga i-falls eDubai.
So
Iweske. So I also need you guys to, because apparently there's an AI picture of my teeth not being there. I haven't seen it. My mom said she saw it, I think, on Facebook, but she didn't download the picture. Uthi mntanam awunamazinyo. Uthi hayi mntanam, ndithi hayi ngumntanam kodwa lo, but akuthenetshe. So she didn't download the picture. So I know there's a picture roaming without teeth. I'm gonna need y'all to post it and tag me or something because like ndifuna uyibona. Yo, guys. Also, I think I just find it weird. I just find it weird that people are still so fixated in the way that they are with the show. Like, Sanvukudlala Jonas. Oh, guys, I'm finally watching with Jonas. See, I'm on episode 4 and I'm pissed because why did that man sleep over after the 20th anniversary? Ulele ntoni, Clams?
Nelly, you're still
Kuningi,
gonna be
guys.
pissed. You're still gonna be pissed, my love.
Mimosa, I took a break. I literally said, I'm taking a break this morning after breakfast. I was like, you know what? No, I cannot do this to myself because I was preparing to go to the gym. After the gym, I was like, no, I had a great session. I had a great chat with a lovely girl. Let me not piss myself off, Nima Jonas. But, it is, it is, son.
I think we have 3 more speakers, guys. Moneli wants to watch Ebola, so can we just
Well,
say a
last
little
that.
thing and then yeah.
hi Neliswa.
Oh, you've got Brixie as your profile picture. Hi, baby. How are you?
Ngiphile njani?
Ndiyaphila sana sami Nkosi.
Okay, I just wanted to greet you because angazi nami ngirequesteleni.
Nkosi sana. I also see you laughing a lot on the timeline. Ndiyayazi there's emojis zininzi. I always
Uzwela
see
ukuthiwa kade
you.
uyokwenza i-BBL.
Sabaweli bawo kima ke ngoku. So does this mean uba xa ndibuya nyhani funeke ndibuye ndine-veneers ne-BBL
Nje
nobhabha?
nje namabele
Means
konke.
Namabele
means
ndiwenzile?
Konke ukwenze nje sasukwenza kwanto. Everything.
Andizonge.
One time.
sorry, I muted by mistake.
Okay, cool, no problem. Ndizazomncane ke ngoku kwenza ezi surgery zininzi because sendiyenzile eyi-one. Yho, but yho,
Vele usasukwenza zonke.
yho,
Because uma wenza i-BBL kuzoqhamuka enye kuthiwa yabo leyo nto. Vele nje wenze one time phelele icala.
yho, okay ke asinaso nale idimple yesibini sose ndiyoyenza. Damn, so
Yeah.
bad. I'm so lazy to go under. Kuthiwa yintoni lela yeza alimandi? Anesthesia. Kuthiwa yintoni?
Anesthetic.
In.
Bendike ndayike beke banika yona. Wow, what a drug. Wow, lovely. Guys, thank you. I'm happy that I did this space. I feel good. Da, 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 da. Nama's girl. How are you?
Oh, is it me? Is it my turn?
Yes.
Oh my god! Yeah, Asana Nelubak, I am so happy to hear your voice. I am so happy to hear your voice. I represent Nectars, Nectars only.
Nectar's only. I
I'm so
met a nectar
happy, and
today.
I'm a Nectar today. Let's let football stops, and then I'll go back to Spain again. Just now, just a few minutes.
Okay, no stress. I'm actually
Oh
favoring
my
France today,
baby,
but
just through your voice, I can just sense ah uyagula shame. Yo, my baby is sick. Is sick. I
like
appreciate your time for coming in. Sicela thina uyazilahla because we are puzzled. We are confused on what is happening.
to cool her
Basically, we're going
down.
to tell whenever you are ready. As much as you love people keeping your life, your name, we love your banter. We love how you take the negative critics and you
Oh, baby,
fall
ain't nobody
back
got
and
time for
use it
that.
as banter. I love that for you. I love that for you. I am happy to hear your voice. I can sense usagula nangoko just through your voice that you're still not
I'm even blocked.
110%
Can you even hear my
okay.
nose is even blocked?
Yeah, ndabona blocked iflu. I can sense and we
Like,
appreciate your time. With God's grace, I know when you come back, uzobuya in your full force, you know. You've always been that girl.
period. Thank you so much, my angel. I really appreciate the
Love you.
positivity.
I
I
love
love,
you,
love,
my
love
love.
you. Thank
Looking
you
forward
very
to the next
much.
content, but take your time.
No,
Take your
definitely shame.
time.
Even like
Bakuphethe kakuhle kodwa neyifamily ukuphethe kakuhle.
Changa, everyone, like my mom, Mimosa, Zinzi came down for a bit. And
Uh-huh.
then obviously they don't live here. And then Don, Maria, Fox, and my family that lives here in Joburg, they've been holding it down. Let me tell you, like they've been holding it down. So I've got a really great
Mm.
support system. And then obviously when I come online, it's my other family online. That's also like,
Uh-huh.
yeah. So like, let's keep the banter going. I love it, guys. It literally makes my days. Like it literally makes my
Yeah,
days.
but you seem like a strong girl. You seem like you're
Oh,
gonna
baby
get
girl,
all
if
all
not
of us.
me, then who's Tanwasam? If not me, then
I
who?
love that you are fighting. Hey, Bessie Penny, because you know when you're in the space that you don't know what's happening.
Yeah,
You just lost. You don't know what's happening. People are saying this and people are saying that. You just don't know what's what. So just hearing a voice, I'm just like, okay, now I kind of have an idea, but
she's
Upasakula,
alive.
she's
She's
alive. She's
alive.
still pretty much sick, but she will be 110% will be healed.
Thank you, my angel. I really appreciate
Tanda,
it.
oh, we love, love,
Ngithandwa
love you.
ndim.
All
Oh,
right, thank
I
you.
feel the love. Guys, 4 minutes before abafana badlala umbaphe
Hayi
son.
nam mandihambe sana Spain ndakubona wena usapota uFrance.